Welcome back to this video. If someone tries to call you with a private number and you want to reveal the identity of that caller ID, I'm going to show you what exactly you need to turn on your phone that will reveal to you any private number that is calling your line on your phone. So let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you go ahead and click on your dialer. After you open up your dialer, next thing you want to do is to click on setting right here. Click on the setting icon. It's going to take you right here. Then go ahead and click on unknown numbers identifications. Then take you right here. What you want to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. Once you turn on this particular button, and it will automatically turn on, pop-up tag will automatically appear after answering an unknown number. This simply means that if any private number is trying to call you, it's going to unmark the hidden number, and you'll be able to see the person that is hiding their phone number to call you on your phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.